In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a watermark in Canva. By the end, you'll have a simple, reusable mark you can place over your content to protect your work and reinforce your brand. Start by heading to canva.com and signing into your account. A free account is perfectly fine for this. Once you're in, the first thing we'll do is open a fresh canvas so we have a clean space to build the watermark. Click Create a Design, then choose a size. A 500 by 500 pixel canvas is a great, simple square to work with, and the exact dimensions aren't critical here. We're just creating the watermark asset itself. Now, let's build the watermark. You can create it using plain text, or you can use your existing logo. If you're going with text, click Text and add a text box to the canvas. Type your name or your brand exactly the way you want it to appear, then adjust the font and size to match your style. Clean, legible fonts tend to look the most professional, and a medium weight often feels subtle without getting lost. Keep the size modest so the watermark enhances your content without distracting from it. Neutral or brand-aligned colors work best. Remember, the goal is clarity and consistency, not loudness. If you'd rather use your logo, click Uploads and then Upload Files. Select your logo in PNG format. A transparent background is ideal, so only the logo itself shows, with no white or colored box around it. This keeps your watermark versatile on photos, graphics, and even darker or textured backgrounds. A high-resolution PNG helps preserve crisp edges so your watermark stays sharp when you scale it up or down later. As you refine your text or logo on the canvas, think about how it will sit over real content. A simple arrangement is easier to place in a corner or along a border without pulling attention away from the main subject. Aim for a consistent look that reflects your brand identity. Same typeface, same general proportions, so viewers recognize it at a glance. That's all you need to create a clean watermark in Canva. You've opened Canva, signed in, started a new design with a flexible canvas size, and assembled the watermark using either text or a logo upload. Keep this file handy so you can reuse it in future projects. With a clear, professional watermark ready to go, you'll add polish to your visuals and help protect your work across platforms.